Today is a day you will always remember. You started as two people in love, you'll finish it as husband and wife. The nature of your relationship will change. Your marriage is officially the start of a journey you will take together that will be filled with moments to share, treasure. Through hard times and good ones, remember how much you loved each other today, when you made the commitment to spend the rest of your lives together. One of the most cherished gifts you can give to each other is to constantly remember the love, respect, and compassion that you feel for each other. With a little work and a never-ending commitment to each other's happiness, your hopes and dreams will come true.
I, Travis Scott Shirts.
I, Madison Paige Shalane.
Do hereby take you, Madison Paige Shalane, to be my wife and my one true love.
Do hereby take you, Travis Scott Shirts, to be my husband and my one true love.
I promise to trust you and respect you, and laugh with you and cry with you.
I declare my never-ending love for you from this day forward.
I will love you faithfully and unconditionally as my partner.
I will love you, hold you close, and nourish you with my gentleness, patience, and strength.
Through good times and bad, regardless of the obstacles we face together.
I will never take you for granted, and promise to always be faithful.
I give you my hand, my heart, and my life from this day forward, for so long as we both shall live.
I will support you through good times and bad, and push you to always be your best self. I give you my heart today and every day.
I give you this ring to wear with love and joy.
The ring has no end.
Neither shall my love for you.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love for you.
Let it remind you that through triumph and despair,
My endless love will always be there.
you are the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
And two is always better than one.
You are now husband and wife.
Woo.
You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Can't thank you enough for letting me be a part of this day. Maddi, thank you for letting me stand next to you.
Maddi is a beautiful bride. Travis is a very lucky individual. I can't say this thing about Maddi, but it is what it is.
May your marriage be filled with laughter and love, and with challenges and obstacles that are always overcome. And as the years pass by, may you always find adventure and spontaneity with each other.
Happy to welcome Maddi into the family. I think that these two will live a life of happily ever after together. And it's nice that we could all share this night with them.
It is honestly so special to see that you guys get to do forever with your best friend. May you always find happiness in each other and everything that you do.
You are our sister, 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 now you got a mister, 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 no.
do.